There are millions of websites available on the internet right now. Some are really helpful while others are only for entertainment purposes. Today, I'll introduce you to 5 amazing websites that you may not know yet. Starting with number 1, we have GetHuman. Nothing is more frustrating than attempting to get through a confusing series of phone prompts while contacting customer service instead of, collecting with a real person. GetHuman will provide you with the buttons to push ahead of time in order to speak with a human fast, as soon as possible. This is how it operates. You can select a company name. Any company will do, like any company that you want to contact. Like, for example, Netflix. You can select Netflix here and you will get all the information, the customer service phone number you will get here, and how much is the average hold time and everything related to this one. Just follow the instructions on screen and you will get to the human as soon as possible. On number 2, we have time and date. This date to date calculator allows you to determine the difference between two dates on a calendar. So you give a start date and an end date, you will get number of days in from that date to end date. So for example, give any date you want, like for example, let's say 22 March. You can give the year, so like anything will do, like 1880. And then end date, I'm leaving it as today. You can give any end date you want. Okay, and then click on calculate duration and you will see the number of days from between those dates. Like it has 52,593 days. Or you can calculate in years also. 143 years, 11 months, and 27 days. Or another way to calculate is another time unit you can do use is seconds, minutes, hours. You can calculate any of this. Or there are several calculators available in this website also. You can do business day to date, business date, all these things. We can calculate a weekday calculator, all these things. On third, we have Lamebook. If you are in a mood to view funniest and worst Facebook posts in one location, this one is for you. Lamebook is a website which collects all the awkward and hilarious posts from Facebook. Just go through it when you have a free time to have a laugh. Number 4, Skiplagged. This useful travel website helps visitors to find hidden airline sales that are generally difficult to find when we use conventional travel websites. So it does this by looking through odd gaps that are in airline pricing policies. This is a this practice is known as hidden city ticketing. So what you do is, for instance, if you're going from Dallas to Los Angeles, you could schedule a flight from Dallas to San Francisco, add Los Angeles as a stop in between. Let's see, Dallas to San Francisco, search flights, and put up to one stop in between. And you can see there is one stop with Los Angeles in between. You can select that. Just make sure that you don't take the final portion of the trip once you go to Los Angeles. This tactic is most effective if you don't take any checked bags with you. This will help you when two separate one-way tickets are less expensive than one round trip ticket. Last but not the least, Pixel Thoughts. We'll wrap up this video with this incredible website that allows you to meditate for 60 seconds. All you have to do is type in the troubling thought. It could be anything. peer pressure or work pressure, or you can even add work sucks. So let's just type in work pressure and click on done. Then follow the on-screen instructions to watch your stress melt away. As it goes down, the round glowing part is sizzling out, right? So just in 60 seconds, just look at it and follow the instructions above and see your stress melt away. Well, at least that's what the theory behind this. Thank you for watching. The links for the websites mentioned are in the description. If you enjoy the video, please like the video and share it with others. If you think there is a fantastic website that not many people know about, please let me know about it in the comments and I'll share it with others. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay up to date on our newest website videos and other tech related content.